Jhon Arias is a Colombian professional footballer who plays as wide midfielder or attacking midfielder for Campeonato Brasileiro Série A club, Palmeiras and the Colombia national team. Arias debuted for the Colombia senior national team in 2022. He has earned over 40 caps and scored several goals, becoming a regular in major tournaments. He contributed to Colombia's run to the final to the 2024 Copa América and has featured in 2026 World Cup related competitions. Arias scored his first goal for Colombia on 26 March 2024, scoring his side second in a 3-2 win over Romania. In 2020, he joined América de Cali, where he won the Colombian League title. He then moved to Independent Santa Fe in 2021. His big break came in mid-2021 with a transfer to Brazilian club Fluminense. Over 4 years, he became a key player, making over 220 appearances and contributing significantly to goals and assists. He played a major role in Fluminense's successful 2023 season, including winning the Copa Libertadores. He also shone in the 2025 Club World Cup. In 2025, Arias moved to the Premier League with Wolverhampton Wanderers, where he made 23 plus appearances. In early 2026, he returned to Brazil, joining Palmeiras, where he has continued performing well. Born in Quibdó, Arias represents Mexican side Dorados, Sinaloa and Tijuana as a youth. He returned to his home country in 2017 and signed for Patriotas Boyacá before moving out to loan to Llaneros for the 2018 season. After making his senior debut with Llaneros in 2018 Categoria Primaria B, Arias returned to Patriotas for the 2019 Categoria Primaria A. Regularly used, he scored 4 goals in 38 appearances overall.